Top 6 most dangerous creatures in Norse mythology, and trust me, number 1 is pure nightmare fuel. Number 6, Sleipnir, Odin's 8-legged horse, fast enough to outrun death and strong enough to carry gods between realms. Beautiful, but born from chaos. Number 5, the Draugr, undead warriors who rise from their graves. They don't rot, they don't sleep, and they crush anyone who disturbs their rest. Number 4, Nidhogg, the dragon that gnaws at the roots of Yggdrasil. It lives in the darkness under the world, waiting for the moment the great tree weakens, so it can devour everything. Number 3, the Valkyries, not angels, not gentle spirits, warrior maidens who choose who lives and who dies. To cross them is to choose your own ending. Number 2, Jormungandr, the world serpent, large enough to circle the entire planet and hold its own tail in its jaws. When it releases that tail, Ragnarok begins. But before we reveal number 1, comment Mjolnir if you think you know what's coming. Number 1, Fenrir, the wolf destined to kill the gods, so powerful that no chain could hold him, so feared that even Odin avoided his gaze. At Ragnarok, he breaks free and swallows the sun. In Norse mythology, monsters aren't just enemies, they're warnings, reminders that even gods fear what waits in the dark.